Alright. Go to Google or Chrome, anywhere you like. Search itch.io. You will have it here. Just wait a while if it don't show suddenly. Sometimes net is slow as well. But actually my net is a bit too slow. Anyway, once you search itch.io, you will have this on your screen. You see these, this? Click on it and search gacha, the mod you are searching for. Gacha Nox. Let's see. You will suddenly have this one. This one is closed. You will have this one. You have to download this one. Okay. If your device is 32-bit, then you need to download this version. And if your device is 64-bit, then you have to download this. I have 64-bit, so I have to download this. You need to press OK for it. I think you already know this tutorial. And here your mod is being installed.